Today I have a recommendation from a subscriber. It's Sound Clash by Fullscreen. Okay, let's go ahead and play it and see if it has some good bass on my truck subs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And that was Sound Clash by Fullscreen or whatever. Has a lot of bass, wow. In future videos I actually want to do more like the flex of the truck, because I like this mirror, for example, moves a lot. Of course the side mirrors move a lot too, but try to do that in more future bass videos. But for now, that's Sound Clash. Has a lot of damn good bass in this truck. Thank you guys for checking out this bass video. Drop a like on it if you thought it was cool. If you want to subscribe to the channel, feel free to do that as well. But beyond that, thank you guys for checking out this video, and I'll see you crazy motherfuckers later. Leave any suggestions in the comment section, and peace out.